you are looking for the very best in large, complex components turning for the aerospace, energy and oil industries, then you need a lathe with powerful cutting and multi-axis capabilities, along with the rigidity and stability to deliver the very highest precision for your customers. The UT400 from Accuway gives you all of the versatility and cutting power you could wish for, with a wealth of special features. Accuway uses the very best single-piece mehanite casting for the base, with extra heavy ribbing for structural stability. All of the machines in the UT series are also equipped with heavy-duty box sways on the 45-degree slant bed to provide the smooth precision that you need for multi-axis cutting. The spindle on the UT400 is very special indeed and features a built-in gearbox with two-step gears to provide increased torque output for the detailed heavy cutting required for complex heavy industry components. Accuway also incorporates helical gears in the gearbox to reduce noise, increase contact area and reduce backlash for even higher precision cutting. Quality control at each stage of the production process is key to the performance of your machine. Here at Accuway, all of the moving components, shafts and gears undergo individual dynamic balance testing prior to installation. And the spindle is then tested again after assembly to ensure that the stability and performance are maintained. This power turret is designed and built by Accuway themselves and has a host of special performance features. To cope with heavy cutting demands, the Accuway tool turret features an extra-large coupling for the disc and uses a special driving method that is superior to the VDI design. Two separate motors are used, one motor to handle the tool disc rotation. The second motor provides up to 11 kilowatts of power to the driven tools, giving you very fast, heavy multi-tool cutting options. Accuway provides several options for the tailstock on the UT series machines. This tailstock is MT5 standard, with either a live center or a rotating quill option depending upon requirements. Additionally, Accuway provides the option of a belt-driven sub-spindle to replace the tailstock for customers that require this additional functionality. UT400 from Accuway is the perfect solution for your large, complex components machining for the oil, energy and aerospace industries. And with its wealth of patented design features and superb cutting performance, this is a machine that you have to consider for your operations. Accuway provides the solution for your large diameter, long workpiece cutting needs. The UT400 comes with maximum cutting lengths of 1.5, 2 and 3 meters to suit all your long workpiece cutting requirements. To prevent issues of workpiece weight causing longitudinal deflection and impacting cutting precision, you can select a suitable movable hydraulic steady rest for workpiece support that can increase your production efficiency and maintain cutting precision.